Okay, everybody, my cousin, she's a crazy chicken lady. She loves her chickens. Has made a YouTube channel. I mentioned to her about a month or so ago that she should make a YouTube channel, and she did. So I'm just giving her a shout out, Lisa Curtis. If you will please go over and subscribe to her. She'll be uploading more of her videos. She has 2 chihuahuas, Coco and Taz. And she has chickens. The ones that's on there now is Elvis, which turned out to be a hen. Elvis, the mother got killed by, well, she lives in the mountains in Virginia. So, you got coyotes and other wild animals, weasels, that will get a hold of chickens. Well, Elvis's mother got killed. And my cousin found out that Elvis was in the egg. She shined a light. Well, you can go to her About page. She has what, the channel's about and how he came to about. Well, she came to be about. She put Elvis's egg in her bra up against her body and kept it warm. What did she say? How long was it? She tells about how she did that. I carried the egg in my bra for the next 11 days. And I seen the video on Facebook where Elvis hatched. And my other cousin was there with her when that happened. So she's I think she's in the first couple of videos. But yeah, that's how Elvis came to be about. And as Elvis grew, found out Elvis is not a rooster. She's a hen. But she's still keeping her name Elvis. And since then, she's hatched other chickens, but she's got a incubator since. So she's had some really cute little chickens. And then the rooster, Fat Boy, he's a handsome rooster. So please go and subscribe to her channel. And I'll put the link to her channel and help it grow. And she loves her chickens. And you'll see some really cute videos of those and her dogs. And she's got grand pups too, pit bulls that are just as sweet as can be. I don't know if she'll have those in the videos though. Those are her daughters. Both her daughters' dogs. So, okay. And thank you for, if you like chicken videos, these are, she's so funny when the way she interacts with, with them chickens. I don't even know if the chickens know they're chickens. I think they think they're human, especially Elvis.